You've done it. You've crushed your keto goals. Maybe you lost weight, boosted your energy, or just felt better overall. But now you're wondering, what happens when keto ends? Can you keep the results without living carb-free forever? Well, here's the good news. Experts agree that keto, at least in its strictest sense, isn't a forever diet. It's more of a way to jumpstart your health with a clean slate. And then, well, life gets in the way. You start adding back carbs from that bag of desserts at the grocery store, or the pasta your family loves, or that birthday cake your friend made. And before you know it, the pounds creep back on, your energy is zapped, and you're back to where you started. So is all that carb counting and fat embracing a complete waste? Not at all. What you learned on keto can help you make lasting changes that improve your health and your waistline, even if you aren't ready to say goodbye to carbs. So here's how to make keto work for you, even after you stop keto. Keto works because it slashes carbs and keeps your body in fat-burning mode. But experts agree that long-term, it can lead to nutrient gaps, especially fiber. And honestly, it's tough to live without fruit, beans, and whole grains for life. The goal isn't to snap back to your old eating habits. It's to keep the good changes while expanding your food choices. Here's how. Step 1. Add carbs gradually. When you think about adding carbs back into your diet, don't go from 0 to 100. Start small. Add about 10 extra grams of carbs a day and get a feel for how your body reacts. Are you hungrier the next day? Do you feel sluggish? That bag of desserts might not be worth it if it makes you feel awful the next day. Get your carbs from healthy sources like lentils, carrots, or strawberries, and track how your body responds. Step 2. Find your carb sweet spot. This is tricky because everyone's different. Some people can thrive on 100 grams of carbs a day. For others, that number is much lower. Experiment with adding a few more carbs each day until you find your sweet spot. How do you find that sweet spot? Pay attention to how you feel. If you're low on energy, have brain fog, feel hungrier than normal, or notice the scale creeping up, it's time to dial back the carbs. Remember, it's about balance and sustainability. Your goal isn't to achieve perfect results for a week. It's to find a way of eating that you can stick with for the rest of your life. Step 3. Balance your plate. When you reintroduce carbs, it's easy to overeat. Suddenly, that bag of desserts doesn't look like a dessert. It looks like a snack. To keep your results, make half your plate veggies, quarter of your plate lean protein like chicken, fish, or tofu, and a quarter of your plate carbs. Protein helps maintain muscle mass and a faster metabolism, while veggies and fruits add fiber and other important nutrients. Also, keep those healthy fats that you probably fell in love with on keto. Just keep the portions in check. Here's your green light list. Strawberries, carrots, black beans, edamame, kiwi, butternut squash, watermelon, lentils, oatmeal, and sweet potatoes. Each one brings back vitamins, fiber, and variety your body craves. Now, even after keto, stay away from the junk, sugary desserts, processed meats, frozen pizzas, and sodas. These will derail your results faster than you can say donut. Life after keto isn't about restriction. It's about balance. After keto, you're probably more aware of what you put into your body. That's a win. By reintroducing healthy carbs slowly, keeping proteins high, and limiting processed junk, you'll not only maintain your results, but also feel better long-term. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Bite-Sized Wellness for more practical tips on health, weight loss, and nutrition. And hey, drop a comment. What's the first carb you're most excited to add back post-keto? We might feature your answer in our next video. Until then, see you next time.